Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use stickies or sticky notes on your MacBook computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you want to do is select the Launchpad option down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the Stickies button, so go ahead and left click on that. So now that the stickies open, you can type in whatever you want. And if you were to hide over it, you can select the Edit tab, and then you can paste in new text. You could do spelling and grammar checks. The Font tab, you can adjust the fonts. You can bold or make font bigger or smaller. Different colors as well. And you can also resize the sticky notes as well by dragging the little corner over here, make it bigger or smaller. And if you set this box icon up at the top left, you have the option to save it. So unless you actually save it, it will be deleted. So we're going to go select the save button, and then you can save it wherever you want. If you want to save it on your desktop, you can. And we're going to select save. And there we go, guys. We have a text file now. So if you wanted to open that back up, you can also open up in Stickies, but you can see the text is now in here. So again, very straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.